Alright cuties, let me show y'all what just came in. Big thanks to YESOUL Fitness for sending their G1M Plus Smart Bike. Yes, my man jumped in and helped me screw everything together, but if you don't have a man, setup is pretty easy. I'm 5'9", so the adjusting seat and handlebar was a perfect touch. Download the YESOUL Fitness app for free. You can either stream your favorite workout guide, or you can do like me and watch your favorite show on Netflix or YouTube. The bike also came with an easy to reach cup holder because, as we all know, hydrating is a part of the vibe. Is it just me, or workout can be so much fun when no one is watching? What also makes it fun is this 360 rotating screen, which is perfect for streaming my after workout stretches. Plus, it's easy to move and storage take up absolutely no space. Cuties, if you're ready to level up your home workout, don't forget to use my discount code, get $100 off. The link is in my description box.